Hi, it's Nish, the Vice President of DreamHome here with you again. Want to give you some more household tips and let you guys know a little bit more about what occurs around the house. One of the biggest things that we get a call here at DreamHome is how do we stop the upstairs of my house from being so much hotter than downstairs during the summertime? Well, in order to be able to fix that problem, we really need to understand the two most important factors leading to that. One, it's because of convection, and two, because of radiation. So convection occurs through transferring heat through the movement of air. And what's happening is cold air falls, and what in turn it does is it pushes that hot air up. And when it comes to radiation, the radiation is coming from the sun itself. So that sun is making your attic space extremely hot right now here in the DC summer. So that air is all directly right above your head in your ceiling, and that's what's affecting that upstairs temperature. The number one way to control those temperatures and make those rooms more comfortable to live in is by adding more attic insulation to create a better barrier between those two spaces. If you felt like this video was useful, again, please subscribe to our channel and you'll get more household tips and more news about the home improvement industry as we continue. Thank you.